doing today? Today we're going to check out the Bissell Spinwave cordless model 2315A. I picked this up from Target. I got it around Black Friday for right at $100, which is a very good deal. I think the retail on this is about $149. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is going to be an unboxing video. And then in future videos, I'll put this thing through a bunch of tests. We'll see how well it cleans, how long it'll last on a charge, and all that good stuff, how much it weighs, all the information that you want to know out of this unit. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. Of course, it comes with the manuals. Here is the power cable to charge it. This is a plate that you set it on when you're done mopping, so it keeps your floors nice and dry, and it allows the mopping pads to dry. Here's two of the pads that come with it. All right, they also give you two sample bottles of the multi-surface cleaner, which I can appreciate. I like that they give you an extra one. And of course, the main unit. And to attach the handle, you simply push it right in, and it will lock in automatically. All right, it also does come with two pads. These are the soft pads. And then these here, they consider these scrubby pads. Supposed to do more of the scrubbing to get on the hard or dried up stains. They're very simple to use. Simply pull them off with Velcro, pop them back on, and they are machine washable, so you never have to replace these. So very cool. I'm excited to try out the battery powered one. I already own the one that has the cord, and the cord is always in the way. It's just kind of a pain to have that cord. So having the freedom of this battery powered unit is going to be awesome. And here it is plugged in. This is the charge lights, which is pretty cool looking. As you can see, it's got one out of the three slots for the battery. So once this is fully charged, I'll be doing a nice good test on this. I forgot to mention the simple things about this. This is the water tank. You mix this with the detergent and the water. And up here is the power button to make the whole thing run, and it will spray in front of it as it cleans. There's the nozzle for the spray. And if you don't know how these work, these rotate in opposite directions, and that's basically always having contact to the ground. And it actually helps pull this thing along, so it makes it very, very easy for you to clean. So that's it. That's what comes in the box with one of these. Nice and short video for you guys. Please let me know down in the comments any test you want me to do with this, any questions you have, and what you want to see in future videos. If you're new, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and I'd really appreciate it. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next one.